Hello, Doodlers. Let's draw a backpack for school. A big bag with a round top. Your turn. A strap for one arm. A strap for the other arm. A little handle on top. A zip across the top. A pocket at the front. A flap over the pocket. A button. Off to school. Great job! See you next time.